The Universe cards, number 23. Elliptical galaxy. Keyword: stagnation. Interpretation. Unlike active or spiral galaxies, elliptical galaxies have reached a very stable state. Many of the stars in the galaxies are coming to the end of their lives or are in the process of dying. In terms of the creation of new phenomena, not much is going on. Everything is just gradually fading away, and nothing new or interesting is expected to happen. This is the state of stagnation represented by the elliptical galaxy card, number 23. Everything has become just a bit too predictable, and there is no new input into the situation. When we are in a state of stagnation in our working or personal lives, it may feel comfortable and safe, but we are also likely to feel dissatisfied. There is something missing. Things are just a little too safe and predictable, and we crave more excitement or creativity. We may feel that we are trapped in a state of stagnation and that we have little choice in the matter. If we remain in the situation of stagnation, we will find ourselves becoming less and less productive. We will fall into a kind of energetic slumber, where we feel lacking in energy and disinclined to move, despite our unhappiness with the current situation. If you draw the elliptical galaxy card, number 23, the object of your inquiry has reached a state of stagnation. Nothing more can be gained from the situation. You must either introduce a new element into the equation or decide to move on. The situation of stagnation can be changed by infusion of new blood in the form of the introduction of new people or new ways of doing things. However, this is not always possible, and it may be that you have already tried everything you can do to liven things up. In this case, you must simply take a deep breath and walk away. Moving out of a situation of stagnation is often difficult, as you may feel unmotivated and lacking in energy. You are being drained by the situation, and it is vital that you take some action, even if you cannot raise any enthusiasm for it or do not feel it will help. Simply taking action, however small or unsatisfactory, will help to release you from the heavy pull of stagnation. You will find that each step you take away from the situation will be taken more lightly and with greater ease.